Fife and drum is the first piece that really introduces the damper pedal. The damper pedal is our pedal on the far right, and it is the one that is used the very most, and I mean by a long shot. This is our pedal marking. It is a thin line, and it goes underneath the music. And when it never bends along the way, it means that you just hold the pedal down for the entire song, which is what we're about to do. The other thing that's interesting about fife and drum is that we have finger threes playing both of our notes. We're shaking up our hand position. This is not meant to be played with just right hand. We really want both hands coordinating together, getting good rhythm with fife and drum. There's two different ways you can set up the fingers since we're only using finger three. The way that you might start with is this, where you've got your finger threes on C and on G, and everyone else gets a key. I call this butterfly position. This is a position in which the thumbs are touching, everyone else has their own key, and it's a really nice way for the hands and the brain to work well together. But there's another way we can approach this, especially since we're playing not just forte notes, but accented forte notes, which are extra loud. We can set up the thumb and the three together as a brace. Keep it round. We can do the same thing for our other hand. 2 rounds. This is going to look familiar, right? This is what we did for our O's. And then turn those around. Notice the hands are round, the thumbs and the threes are supported together, and that's actually how I'm gonna play through because it just feels nice to do it this way. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.